The logging tractor encountered its first disaster as it began work in this forest. Before entering, it couldn't foresee the harsh path ahead, where the mud was half a meter deep. This challenging start signaled the difficulties of the forest. It had to learn to adapt, overcome all obstacles if it wanted to survive and complete its mission. A stretch of road like an unimaginable challenge. If it were me, I would choose a different path. The thick mud, like rolling waves, seemed to swallow the tractor. I thought it would never venture down this road again after being pulled out. Be careful not to fall into it again, my friend, I said, a valuable lesson in recklessness.